Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got up and this was laying across the door 4 or 5 days before it was supposed to be here. So I don't know if this is my splitter, if this is the wing extension, or if it's both. But I ordered both from a company out of California and looks like they might be here. Alright guys, so it looks like it's both in the package. So we've got the splitter, same splitter that's been on it before, and then this little winglet that goes on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the winglet on. Maybe it's splitter, I don't know, but definitely the winglet. Yeah, awesome. So they sent it all in one package, which is good. Yeah, I'll name the company and everything. It is BAYSON R Motorsports in San Jose, California. This is where I got this from. I'll link in the description. Do I have a knife? I don't have a knife, so, oh, actually I do have a knife. So, let's just do this. I almost stabbed myself. That's really good. It's been one of those days. So, like I said, splitter is probably going to go on today, but we'll definitely do this today. I've already got, I do this with tires, with oil, with everything. Like if I've already got something, I kind of hate to replace it. So even though my splitter is broken, it's on there. And so I'm kind of hating replacing it because it's a pain, right? So let's see what we've got here. And of course we've got the double-sided tape that allows this to go on, but it's just a little winglet. Let's see what it looks like. Is that gonna be cool? I think that's gonna be cool. Is it like that? Like that. Oh, it's like that. Yeah, I think that's gonna look cool. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think that's gonna look really cool. Okay, well, let's get to it. All right guys, so I don't know if you can see this. I've got the double-sided tape mounted pretty good on the bottom of the splitter and the top of the splitter. I'll probably go back at some point and do the sides of the splitter, but and I keep calling it a splitter, but the winglet, but that's the amount it sent me, so I don't have any for the sides, but I think it'll be okay. Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, one off. Peeling two off, just like that. Something like that, maybe. Looks like how it goes. That's pretty cool. So that was easy enough. It's purely just adhesive. Okay, so now that the car is jacked up a little bit, I can see how well I actually mounted this thing 2 years ago. You know, it hit a chunk of ice and didn't budge except for the center point, so something tells me this is not going to be the easiest thing to remove, but we're about to find out. On top of everything else, right in the center here, little anthill. So, yeah, I should have parked somewhere else. If you guys remember, the first time I did this, I did it with the self-tapping screws and they just sucked. So instead I took this off and I used a bolt and washer thing, kind of pattern. And while that works best, I got to get to the washer to take them off. So I got to get to this. And like most things, I'm chasing daylight. A massive spider on my tire. One of the blessings of living in the country, not many neighbors. Neighbors you do have are poisonous. Yeah, he's huge. I just used one of these guys. I had it on a ratcheting wrench, but honestly they weren't that tight, so I was just able. The cool thing about this is it doesn't matter what size, it fits. So I can peel, I don't know if you can see this, but I can peel this piece down and reach in here. And I can get that little threaded nut. This is how I mounted it last time. You have a bolt, a washer, and then you have your car, and then the nut and a washer, and then as you screw that in, the bolt gets tighter and eventually no movement. So that works way better than the crappy self-tapping screws. I just realized the double-side tape is pretty strong. Okay, so just drop that down. Snapped pretty good right there in the middle. So I have these bolts, or these bolt holes on here. I need to use this as a template for the other one, make sure the bolt holes line up. And I still got to get that centerpiece off, which is being a pain. Good news, bolt holes line up perfectly, except for that one, obviously. But yeah, perfect. Sweet. So now it's just a matter of getting this little punk off, putting the new one on. Okay, so the one side of the splitter is done. I just have to get the other side back on. This was a pain, but it's done. So now it's just a matter of reversing the process. Like I said, the holes lined up, so the work is pretty easy. And I intentionally drilled the holes into the car smaller than the bolts the first time, because I wanted to make sure that they had a good grip. And they do. Wrist is getting tired. No jokes in the comments. And if people are like, why didn't you use a drill? Well, I did the first time, but this stuff wasn't supposed to come in for another half of a week, so came in the middle of the afternoon, and I quite frankly just didn't really have time to go look for it. It was either go look for it and find it maybe and possibly have enough sunlight, or do it with what I had and have sunlight. Okay, so now we've got it done. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. We've got the new splitter there. You can see all nice and shiny. No cracks. Very happy with that. And then come on back. We have a very dirty rear window and I don't know what you call this, an extension, a winglet. I don't know, but at any rate, there you go. Extremely dirty Mazda, but got the little wing extension, got the front splitter, they match. And yeah, it's back to being a normal car. Now I just have to finish this, guys. What do I do up here? I'm thinking satin black or gloss black at this point. You guys let me know. Let me know in the comments below and we'll do it. What do y'all think? I think it turned out pretty good. In spite of it being filthy, it looks pretty nice. All right, guys. Till next time, see you later.